Hello and welcome on the new video. Today we are going to talk a little bit about how to properly dimension parts on engineering drawings and show you examples of how to properly dimension and what to watch out for when dimensioning. Dimensioning is the precision determination of the dimensions and position of objects on engineering drawings by numbers, marks, verbal indications, and technical terms. Each element on the relationship between elements is dimensioned only once on the drawing. A dimension is a number expressing in selected units the numerical value of a certain length. A dimension value prescribes the actual size of a dimension or position regardless of the scale at which the image is drawn. Length dimensions in engineering are in millimeters or in inches. If another unit is to be used, the mark of that unit must be added. A dimension is the distance between two elements or a distance of a dimensional element. Dimensions are one of the geometric data by which elements or components are precisely and exactly defined. A length dimension is the linear distance between two elements or the linear dimension of an element on a drawing. The dimension should be placed on the drawing in the view or section where the feature is most clearly shown. When we dimensioning a technical drawing, it is important to dimension the part with all the necessary dimensions so that the part can be manufactured according to the drawing. I will now show you examples of dimensioning methods on the drawing and the most commonly used dimensioning methods. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, feel free to give me a like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next time. Bye.